So if you really want your sales to start exploding and taking off, you need to drive some more traffic to your shop. Now, I've done a lot of Etsy shop reviews, and what I've noticed is a lot of you guys aren't utilizing social media to help, drive traffic to your shop. So some of you have very amazing shops, great listings, everything, but you're just not seeing the sales that you want because you're not going that extra step of adding some more marketing or, really trying to um, drive more people to your shop. So I've had a lot of questions lately about people who want to see how to use Pinterest or how they could use Pinterest to help with their stuff. So with that, I've gone ahead and decided I'm going to do a video showing you how I am going to create a Pinterest post for one of my listings. And I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to do it. So right now I'm on my Pinterest page. This is a professional account. So what you'll want to do is set up a professional account. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to use AI to very quickly create a professional looking pin. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick a product. So I'm just going to jump over to Printify. I'm going to do this for one of my rugs. So I'm on my products. I'm looking at my published products here, and I'm going to pick a rug. And I'm going to try to pick one that I haven't already done one for, because I might as well do one that I can use. Okay, so I've selected a rug. I'm going to go ahead and do this one, Vibrant Tropical Rug. So what I'm going to do, I'm on my products. I've got my published products here. I'm just going to click on the picture because what I'm going to do is just download one of the basic mock-ups. And so I'm going to go with the 48 by 72 inch, and I'm just going to do this context one mock-up. And so again, doesn't matter what product you do, pick a product that you want to start with, and go ahead and download one of your mockups. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. I'm just going to hit save image, and it's going to save this image. Now that I have the image that I want to work with, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. And so I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to hit this little plus button. I'm going to put add photos, and I'm going to upload the photo that I just downloaded. Now, what I'm going to do in here for a prompt, and I'm going to use the same prompt that I've been using right here. So I'm going to copy and paste it, and then I'll read it out loud to you. Copy, paste, and I'm going to change this. So what my prompt is saying is it says, make a Pinterest pin image for this, and then you blank whatever it is you're doing. So for me, this, I'm going to go with tropical. This vibrant tropical patio rug. So make a Pinterest pin image for this vibrant tropical patio rug, or whatever your product is, for this shirt or for this candle or for this blanket or whatever it is you have. So make a Pinterest pin image for blank, and make the background match the style of the blank. I put match the style of the rug. And then I'm just going to go ahead and send the prompt. So it is going to analyze my image, and then it is going to go ahead and create an image. And so we're going to have to give it a minute here, but it is going to create the pin for me. Okay, and so here is the solution. Bring the tropics home. Vibrant, bold, beautiful patio rug. Brighten your outdoor space. Colorful, durable, stylish, and made for outdoors. It brought in all of those bright, vibrant colors. It has my rug here. It redid the patio to make it look lush and vibrant. Down here, bold style, tropical vibes, everyday escape, perfect for patios, decks, and more. Soft underfoot and comfortable, durable and weather resistant, indoor and outdoor use. So from this photo, I got this pin. And only with this tiny little prompt here. So I didn't have to do a lot, and it came out looking really good. Now, obviously, double check everything, make sure you read it, make sure that all the words make sense and are spelled correctly and everything is good. Also, make sure that your product actually looks like your product. So again, it can make mistakes. Most of the time, though, it gets it right. I like this. I think it looks great. So this is what I'm going to download. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit download. And now that I have this, I'm going to have Pinterest write a post for it. So now I'm going to say, write a Pinterest post for this rug. Boom. And send prompt. And it will do this very quickly. And boom, now it has written the Pinterest post for me. I have the title, Vibrant Tropical Patio Rug, bold palm tree outdoor decor. I have a description. Turn your patio into a colorful tropical escape with this vibrant palm tree outdoor rug featuring bold neon inspired colors, tropical vibes, and eye-catching design. This rug is perfect for patios, decks, porches, sunrooms, or poolside spaces. Durable, stylish, and designed to brighten any outdoor oasis. Instant vacation energy to your home. Or add in. So boom, that quickly, it has now created Pinterest stuff for me. So I'm going to go over to Pinterest, and now I am on Pinterest. And I'm going to go ahead and hit create. And I'm going to create a pin. So now I am uploading the image that it just gave me. So boom, there's my image. I'm just going to go back and copy and paste what ChatGPT gave me. So here's my title. I can copy that and I can paste it here, and then I'm going to get the description, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it here. Now here's where I can add a link. So now I'm going to go ahead and go over to my Etsy shop. I am going to find this rug. It's going to be easier if I just go through my patio decor section. I'm going to find that rug. Here it is. And I'm going to just hit copy link. So I can copy the link and then go right back over to Pinterest. And I'm going to add the link right here. So I'm going to paste it there. And you can even go down here and it says tag products. So I can hit add products, use link, and I can put a link in here again and hit use link. And it's going to pull up the pictures from my listing. I can pick whatever picture I want. And so here we go. I'm going to choose boards. So you'll have to create a board. If not, you can create a board. It'll say create board. If you already have a board, you're going to find the board that it goes with. So for this one, I'm going to put it on my patio oasis board. I also have a modern boho home board, a retro home decor board, and a southwest decor board. But this is going to go on my patio oasis. And then you can go ahead and, you can pick topics and it'll come up with some topics for you. So like, let's say I have rug I can do outdoor, and sometimes you have to look through to see what works for you. So I know they have outdoor living space right there. I can do patio, see what comes up. So I've got patio makeover. That worked good. Let's say I want to do backyard. I know there's a backyard deck. And so these are all just topics that you can put in here. And then once you have it the way that you want, you can either publish at a later date, which is what I'm going to do, or hit publish and it'll publish right away. Now I already have pins scheduled to go up today, so I'm going to go ahead and schedule this one for tomorrow. So, and then you can go ahead and pick the date and the time that you want it to publish at. So I'm going to go ahead and do tomorrow, maybe at 11 a.m. and go ahead and hit schedule. And just like that, it has added it to my pins that are scheduled to go up. So now I have these already scheduled to go up today, and now I have this one scheduled to go up tomorrow. And you can see already I've got a lot of pins up. These are under different boards. So this one's under my retro board. This is under my boho board, another retro board one, southwestern board, tropical board, so you can see AI made all of these. Now there's different styles that I've been playing with. So those are the ones that AI has made for me recently. You can see some of those there. And so some of them really cool, some different styles. Come down here. Here's some for the lamp. Here is more just patio coastal decor. Here's ones that have more review type stuff. And so you can see just different styles that I have played with for pins, and just different pins for different products here too. And it's okay to do multiple pins for the same product over and over again, as long as you have a different photo and a different, title tag kind of stuff. You can use the same product over and over again. And so what you'll do is you'll put up pins. Ideally, maybe start with 3 times a week and work your way up to 4 or 5 times a week. Try to put up at least a pin every day. If you have multiple boards, maybe try to get a pin for each board every day. Work your way up to that. And it starts off slow, but eventually, you will start to see it driving traffic to your shop. Now, it's important to have clear expectations. It is normal when you start on Pinterest for it to go a month or two with very few views, very few anything, and not a lot of traffic being driven. But you keep at it, keep doing it, keep doing it. After about 3 months, you're going to start to see traffic building. After about 6 months, then you're really going to start seeing traffic building. But you have to be consistent and you have to do it for months on end. So you can't do it for a month, say this didn't work, and then give up, because then you're giving up too soon. And that's what a lot of people do. They just kind of give up too soon. So especially with really any business, but with print on demand, you have to be consistent over time, and you can't give up because you haven't seen your results in a month or two. You really have to keep it up. So commit to yourself that you're going to put up listings and you're going to put up posts and you're going to share to social media, and you are going to do it X number of times per week, and you're going to do it for, let's say, 1 year. Commit yourself to a year, and at the end of the year, see what happens. Okay, but it's not the kind of thing that you're going to try. You tried for 3 months, nothing happened, and you gave up. It does take a while to build. It really does. And so it's important to have those kind of clear expectations, because I think some people come in and they think that they're going to see results right away, and then they're discouraged when they don't, and then they give up. And especially when you see other influencers talk about getting rich overnight or making all of this money, and they're not telling you that, oh, well, they made all of this money, but they spent 3 years trying to get to this point, So if you don't have the clear expectations, then you get discouraged, and then you quit, and then you never make it. So you have to have the expectation that it is going to take time, that it is going to be a gradual build, and that at some point during that gradual build, you're going to start to see momentum build up, and it's going to start to get exponentially better. But you do have to be just consistent for a long period of time to see that. So if you want to be successful at this, that is what you are going to have to do. But anyways, this can dramatically increase, traffic to your site. And so I'm doing this right here with home decor, but again, you can do it with shirts, you can do it with mugs, you can do it with candles, whatever your niche is, whatever your product is, you can go ahead, create a Pinterest page for it, create an Instagram page for it, create a Facebook page for it. You want them to be professional pages, and then start sharing your stuff. So share links to your stuff, share pictures of your stuff. You can use AI to create the posts for you if you want. You can have the posts that are just more like, as I come down here, just mostly the mock-up, and it just says, retro wave patio rug, so nothing much to it. Or you can have the ones like it's been making for me recently that are much more almost advertisement based. They've got all of the descriptions and everything. So there's lots of different styles that you can play with, and you can have AI help you. But go ahead and start. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section below. I try to get back to everybody as quickly as I can. If you have more video requests, you can put those in the comment section below. I'll see if I can get it added to the list. If you want me to take a look at your Etsy shop, you can go ahead and email me a link to your shop. My email is in the description below every video. I am working on revamping my print on demand course. So I've had one up now for over a year. And as you know, things change, and AI has kind of taken over. And, as things change, I'm going to start revamping stuff. So I'm going to redo my course. I am expanding it. I am adding to it. I am adding more social media stuff to it, more AI stuff to it. I am going to put in there everything I know. So once that gets up and running, I will let you guys know. And if it is something that you're interested in, it will be there for you. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing really well, and I do hope to see you guys again next time. That's it for today's video. If you found that useful and would like to see more videos with helpful tips and tricks, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of the weekly videos. As always, keep growing and stay creative, and we'll see you next time.